You scream ice cream, we all scream for ice cream. Let's make fried ice cream balls. Start off with about 2.5 cups of vanilla ice cream. This will make 5 servings when you use half-cup scoops. And then shape them into balls the best you can on a parchment-lined baking sheet, and then place them in the freezer for 1 hour. Next, you are going to need some pound cake. Slice up some slices and layer it in between 2 pieces of plastic wrap. And using a rolling pin, roll that as thin as possible. It may crack or break a little, but it's okay. Just press it back together. You will need approximately 1.5 slices to 2 slices per ice cream ball. Normally you want to do this one at a time, but I'm doing them all at once. So place your frozen ice cream ball in the center of the flattened pound cake and wrap it around using the plastic wrap. Pound cake will stick to your hand, so use the plastic wrap. After it is fully wrapped and shaped into a circle, place it back on the tray in the freezer and repeat the process with the remaining ice cream balls. Then you're going to want to leave it in the freezer for 2 hours. In a pot, you're going to need 1.25 quarts of canola oil. That is an entire container of one of these sizes here. And you want the oil to be at least 3 inches deep to deep fry the balls. And you're going to need to heat that to 400 degrees. Since this will take some time, go ahead and prepare your tempura batter. To make your tempura batter, you're going to mix about 2/3 cup of flour with 2/3 cup of cold water and whisk it up until it's smooth like pancake batter, but it's okay if a few bumps still remain. In a large bowl, add 1.25 cup of panko breadcrumbs. When your oil has heated to 400 degrees, take one of the ice cream balls out of the freezer, coat it in the tempura batter, then roll it in the panko breadcrumbs, pressing it onto it. Place it into the oil gently, and you only want to fry it for about 10 to 20 seconds until it's golden, and then put it on a wire rack to drain. You may find that you need more panko breadcrumbs. After about 20 seconds, you can take the ice cream balls and roll them in cinnamon sugar if you would like. To assemble, just place one of the balls onto a plate, drizzle it with chocolate syrup or any of your favorite toppings, and dust it with a little powdered sugar. You can also make these ahead of time. After frying the ice cream balls, just place them back on a piece of parchment in the freezer until ready to eat.
Oh yeah!
Sugar.